student, in the chapter atomic structure, today we will discuss Rutherford scattering experiment, Rutherford atomic model. Okay student, so here first we will discuss the experiment of Rutherford. Dear student, Rutherford take a block containing alpha rays. Rutherford take a block containing alpha rays. They pass the rays from gold thin foil. Yes student, when alpha rays bombard on gold thin foil, gold thin sheet, they observe on screen around the foil some bright spot created here, here and here. According to their experiment, they observe mostly 99%, most of 99% alpha rays penetrate the atoms and directly pass through the atom of gold one side to other. The atoms in when alpha rays scattered on the gold foil, most of alpha rays particles, approximately 99.9% particles, penetrate the atoms of gold foil. Okay, but they observe some deflection at a small angle, like here, small angle deflection. The small angle deflection due to because student alpha rays is a positive rays, and in the atom a smaller part are present which also contain positive charge. Therefore, when positive beam goes to near the positive particles, then they deflect at a small angle. But approximately in 20,000 out of 20,000, one alpha particles rebound at 180 degree. It is because the reason is in the center of the atom or rigid mass of atom are present, means a rigid part are present which contain positive charge. Okay student, dear student, Rutherford think the central part from which approximately out of 20,000 one beam reflected is the part of atomic nucleus, and the part from where beam penetrate the atoms, directly pass through the atom, is the regions of electron, Dear student, here some observation given of Rutherford. Most of alpha particle, nearly 99.99% went straight without any deflection. Okay student, dear student, Rutherford, in their scattering experiment, they observed most of approximately 99.9%, approximately 99.99% rays of alpha particles directly pass through the atom in straight line without deflection, because most of part of atom, approximately 99.9% part of the atoms are empty. Next point, few alpha particles got deflected through a small angle. Dear student, you observe here some alpha particles, few alpha particles deflected from their straight path at the small angle, that is theta. Here a rays goes to the from the atoms, but due to presence of nucleus it deflected at a small angle. So few alpha particles got deflected through a small angle. Okay, it is because due to repulsion of charge. Okay student. Dear student, third observation is very few alpha particles get deflected through large angle and almost 1 in 20,000 rebound back, that is a reflection of 180-degree angles. Dear student, in scattering experiment, Rutherford observed in 20,000 out of 20,000, one alpha particles come rebound at 180 degree due to presence of nucleus. A nucleus which contain positive charge and whole mass of the atom. Okay student. Dear student, today we are discuss here observation of Rutherford scattering experiment. Next lecture we will discuss conclusions and result of the experiment. Okay student. So please take a screenshot and read your NCERT book. Every day you read NCERT book when you attend chemistry class. Then you open your NCERT book. Then watch video lecture. Okay student. So please read your NCERT book and take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Thank you very much.